Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change currency on Roblox. So first of all, log in into your Roblox account and click on settings and make sure to select your account info. And as you can see, here is no option to change country or currency on Roblox. So the option was before and Roblox has been deleted the option to change currency or language on Roblox, but you can use a VPN extension to change your country or currency on Roblox. So for that you have to open your web store. Right now I'm using Chrome browser, so I opened here Chrome web store and search for Holo VPN, and you have to add this VPN to your browser and click on this puzzle icon and make sure to pin the extension, and all you have to do is just click on the extension and from here select a country, and that's how you will be able to change currency on Roblox. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.